Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we will be discussing a question from the CSIR Net 2020 exam. And this is a part C question, means a 5 marks question. So I will be discussing it and it will be a kind of quick discussion, quick explanation about the concept involved in this question. So even if you know that concept, you can try to solve it right now and see which option is correct according to you. But if you don't know about that, you will get it quickly now after this discussion. So let's talk about it, guys. The question is a quantum particle in a one-dimensional infinite potential well with boundaries at 0 and A. Okay, so there is what? There is a one-dimensional infinite potential well. And the boundaries of the potential well are what? They are going to be 0 and A. Is perturbed by adding, this is what? This is the perturbation applied to the system, which is H dash is equal to epsilon delta x minus A by 2 to the initial Hamiltonian. The correction, we need to find the correction to the energies of the ground state and the first excited state to first order. So which means we need to find the first order correction to energy. Okay, now the point is, in any such type of question, what we do for finding the first order correction to any nth state energy, this is the first order correction, so we will put this one here on the top, and what it will be just simply psi n, the perturbation applied to the system, and psi n, that is state wave function. Because we know for this one or for the 1D potential well, we are going to have the normalized wave function. And what is the general form or formula of the wave function? That is root 2 by L. But here what is the length of the potential well? 0 and A are the boundaries. So length will be what? A. So root 2 by A sine n pi x by A. Okay, this is going to be the wave function of nth state for the 1D infinite potential well you are going to have. Done? Next point. So what you will do, you can simply write this wave function here. You can write the perturbation applied there and what you will be getting. So it's going to be limits have not been given, in which reason the perturbation has been applied. So you will take the complete limits like which are for the potential well. 0 to A root 2 by A sine n pi x by A. Then H dash, what is the H dash? That is perturbation epsilon delta x minus A by 2. So epsilon delta x minus A by 2. Okay, this is how you can write it. You can use a square bracket here as well. Then root 2 by A sine n pi x by A. Since it was not having iota in it, the wave function didn't have iota in it. So you don't need to make any changes when you are writing the wave function for the this vector or in this vector. No changes will be there. You are just going to write them directly. Next point, take the constants common. It will give you 2 by A. Okay, epsilon outside. Integration 0 to A sine square n pi x by A, and there you are going to have epsilon delta. Okay, epsilon I have taken common, so delta x minus A by 2. Now as per the property of Dirac delta function, what you know, you have to find the value of x from here, and what it will be? A by 2. Is this value lying within this region? Yes. Okay, within this range, that's 0 and A? Yes. So what will happen in this case? You will simply be able to write your answer as sine square n. What is the n value? It will depend whether we are writing it for the let's say for the first excited state or the second excited state or for the ground state, but you have to just replace the x with this value if this value exists within the given region, okay, or the limits, given limits. Now next thing, upon A will be there, then A cancelled out. You will have the final expression which will be 2 epsilon by A sine n pi by 2. Now you want to find the perturbation or the first order correction to energy, okay, corresponding to the perturbation applied to the system for the ground state. So the ground state for the 1D box formula we have used here will be n is equal to 1 state. Its values start from 1. So when you will write n is equal to 1 here, you will get 2 epsilon. For n is equal to 1, you will be getting the E11, the first order correction to energy to the ground state, that is 2 epsilon by A sine n pi x. What is that? That's going to be only n pi there. So 1 pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 1. Sine 90 degrees 1. So 2 epsilon by A. But same thing if you will be doing for n is equal to 2, what will happen then? So E2, first order correction to the first excited state energy, it will be you have to put the n is equal to 2 there. So you will put 2 here, 2 pi by 2. Sine 2 pi by 2 means sine pi, which will give you what? 0. So first excited state, first order correction to energy value is 0. Ground state, first order correction to the energy value is 2 epsilon by A. 2 epsilon by A and 0, where they are present in option B. So that is your right answer. This is how simply you can get your 5 marks for such type of question, and it was quite easy. Done. And guys, if you are having any doubt anywhere, you can mention it in the comments and we'll try to discuss that point. Along with this thing, we will be having more such quick explanation based videos. Okay, on this channel I will provide you. So yeah, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel and you can even click on the bell icon to know about the new videos I will upload on this channel. You will get the notifications regarding them. Another important thing guys is that right now on Unacademy learning app, you will get one offer, and what is that? If you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will get the 1 month extra, and if you will be taking the 12-month subscription, you will get 2 months extra. It is valid till 31st July on Iconic and Plus, both the subscriptions. Another important thing, even by using and by applying the referral code along with this offer, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, and by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So here is the referral code mentioned. You just need to write the spelling as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. You can write everything in the capital letters, and just by applying the referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount or Unacademy Iconic subscription amount. Another important thing is guys that since right now almost like every week the new batches are starting, the new courses by the top educators are starting. So if you will be taking your subscription now, you will be able to attend many new courses and the classes from the starting, which will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Another important point here I would like to tell you that in each and every course there are going to be doubt clearing sessions. So let's say you take the subscription today and you see like, oh, there is going to be any course which is already going on and you want to check out its previous classes. So recordings will be available to you. You can check them. You can cover up the remaining portion you have missed. And another thing, if you will be having any doubt, you can ask about that in the doubt clearing session. So I hope each and everything will be clear to you. And if you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators, you want to take your preparation to the next level and you want to prepare very well in the less time, then Unacademy Plus subscription can help you, or Unacademy Iconic subscription will even be very much helpful for you. So any one of them you can take, and you can get this offer if you will be taking the subscription at this point of time. Use and apply the referral code to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. No space in between, spelling should be same for the referral code. Write it, apply it, and in the total subscription amount you will be getting the 10% discount. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining the session and for attending or watching it till the end. Thank you.